Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the USAspending Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to collect detailed US federal spending data directly from USAspending.gov. This is useful if you're researching government contracts, grants, or overall federal spending patterns without manually navigating the website. This actor pulls structured federal spending data from USAspending.gov, the official source for U.S. government spending transparency. It collects awards like contracts, grants, loans, along with recipient details, agencies involved, locations, and classification codes. It's designed for analysts, researchers, contractors, and anyone working with government spending data. So, how does it work? To get started, you can configure the scraper using filters instead of clicking through the USAspending website manually. You can filter by award type, time period, agencies, award amounts, recipients, locations, and classification codes. This mirrors the advanced search functionality on USAspending.gov, but returns everything as structured data. You can choose which type of spending data you want to analyze. For example, contracts, grants, loans, or direct payments. You can filter by awarding or funding agencies like the Department of Energy or Department of Defense. You can also search by recipient name or award ID if you're tracking a specific company or contract. In this example, I'm scraping contract awards from the Department of Energy in 2024 and sorted by the award amount. Once your filters are set, you can run the scraper once, or you can schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. When the run finishes, you'll get the results in this dataset table in the Output tab. Each record includes award IDs, award amount, agencies, recipient info, locations, and classification codes. You'll also get direct links back to the official USAspending.gov awards page. You can export the data as a CSV, JSON, or Excel file. This makes it easy to analyze spending trends, build dashboards, or integrate the data into your reporting workflows. This scraper is useful for government spending analysis, contract research, market intelligence, and compliance monitoring. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.